Now the market is looking a bit apprehensive, so is Bitcoin's price action. There's a lot of FUD, especially surrounding the narrative of war. However, we are not here to fall into narratives and FUD. We're here to listen to price action. Now, if I just show you this monthly chart on Bitcoin, all right, what is it that you see right off the bat? Like everything else aside, try and look at this with as little bias as possible. Let's just say you had no idea what was going on out there, and you look at this chart. What do you see? I see a bull flag. Okay, if we're just looking at the technicals, okay, nothing else, I'm looking at a bull flag here on the monthly time frame. Alrighty, so this is to say, guys, while yes, there's a lot of news, there's a lot of FUD, all right, I want you guys to keep your eyes on the prize, and that prize is always going to be the price. Alrighty, so now as far as price action is concerned for Bitcoin, just to put everyone's reservations at rest, I want to go over that one amazing cyclical indicator that we've been looking at here, which is none other than the 10 simple moving average on the monthly time frame. This has kept us on the right side of every bull market, every bear market, time and time again. All right, when we lose the monthly 10 simple moving average, we know that, okay, the bears have taken over. However, for as long as price holds the monthly 10 SMA as support underneath, that means, okay, the bulls still have a fighting chance. And now if we really have to gauge price relative to that 10 simple moving average, you can see that, okay, we have been closing over that region. In fact, right now, price is currently testing the monthly 10 simple moving average. If you had to really ask me, Krisha, what is your read right now on Bitcoin's current price action? My current read on Bitcoin's picture, guys, if I'm being completely honest with you, I'm saying that we're in the middle of a rock and a hard place. In fact, I mentioned this just today in the Mango Discord chat. The rock being, well, the 10 simple moving average as support. The hard place being this. If you get on over to the bi-weekly time frame, all right, I want you guys to check out this level at $64,300. Just go ahead and smack a line there, okay? 64.3K on the dot. On the dot. No decimals, nothing. Alrighty, you'll notice that the past 1, 2, 3, 4, since August, okay, we have been fighting this level and the bulls have been losing every single time, 64,300. All right, and this right here is the hard place. So as far as the range that we're dealing with over here, guys, it's literally like a sliver. Okay, in fact, the volatility, Bitcoin's prevailing volatility is greater than this sliver of a range right now, coming from the monthly 10 SMA going all the way up to $64,300. Depending on which side we break on, that is the side that wins. So if on the daily time frame we actually see Bitcoin rally from here and closing multiple candles over 64.3K, I'm saying the bulls have the edge. And if you guys check out the Mango dashboard, you'll find that Bitcoin has hit the reset button. We have neutrals across the board. Volatility is blue. I know some of you are looking at the 12-hour short signal right here, but when you see a short signal, I want you guys to always look at that return, okay? Return and reversal. When did this short signal actually come to us? It came to us 4 days ago. In 4 days, you think 4 days is good enough time for the bears to actually show a bit of strength? Are they seeing any strength? No. Returns at minus 1.56%, so they are struggling as well. Now, if I'm looking for the bulls to take over from here, I'm going to be watching that 4-hour trend. I want to see this neutral start flipping long once again, and then I want to see that long signal cascade on over to the 12-hour time frame, on over to the daily, so on and so forth. All right, so I got my alert set on the 4-hour time frame for now. What I really like about this picture is that we have a bit of a reset on the entire trend and volatility profile. Now, before we jump back into the chart, I just want to let you guys know on the premium video section, yesterday I released a video specifically on the next altcoin season. I found this insane historic data that suggests that we actually might be heading into altcoin season very soon, like right around the corner. So for those of you who have not seen that video just yet, go ahead and give it a watch. And for those of you looking to jump into the Mango Dashboard Premium, make sure to use the coupon code. It's BDay2024 in celebration for Sean's birthday. Bit late, but it's here anyways. BDay 2024. You can use it on the dashboard, the courses, as well as all the indicators. Now, in addition to the monthly 10 simple moving average, there's one more cyclical indicator that we've been looking at, which is none other than the bi-weekly dynamic support. All right, so what we're looking for over here is for price to hold that dynamic zone as support. You'll notice that ever since the cycle began, not once have we lost it to the downside. Okay, losing the bi-weekly dynamic to the downside is going to propel Bitcoin into further bearish territory. But so far, it's actually looking really good. On that previous close, we actually closed over. It appears that this candle is merely just a retest, and so far we're bouncing off of that region. All right, so this cyclical indicator, guys, is also intact. So getting too spooked out too soon is a recipe for disaster. You're likely going to have loose hands and you're going to end up letting go of very, very good trades. All right, the only thing I want you guys to prioritize right now is price action on the chart. Get rid of the noise. All right, do not trade based on the news outside of you, because all of that is subjective and it can be interpreted in a myriad of ways. Trying to trade around that is a recipe for disaster, but what you can trade around is price action. So follow price action and you're going to be golden no matter who takes over. Okay, whether it's the bulls or the bears. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the likes. I'll now see you in the next one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.